Let's solve this problem. So we're asked to simplify 4 over 21 divided by 5 over 99 of 11 over 35 in bracket, then minus 3 over 4 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3. We see that we have different signs here, so we have to follow the proper order of operation in mathematics. And the order of operation is BODMAS, so bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So to solve this, we start with the bracket. Let's simplify what is in the bracket. In the bracket, we have 5 over 99 of, which I can write as multiplied by 11 over 35. And to simplify this, of course, 11 here 1, 11 here we have 9. Then 5 here 1, 5 here we have 7. So 1 times 1, that's 1. And then 9 multiplied by 7, which is same thing as 7 multiplied by 9, and that will give you 63. So for the brackets now we have 1 over 63. The question can then become 4 over 21 divided by 1 over 63, then minus 3 over 4, and then plus 1 whole number 1 over 3. So the next operation we go to is the division, because after brackets and order we have division. So to solve this part, where we have 4 over 21 divided by 1 over 63, we write this as 4 over 21 times, then we flip this to have 63 over 1. Now when you check it, you see that here 3 is a factor, 3 here that is 7, and 3 in 63 will give us, that's 21, and 7 can still go, so 7 here 1, 7 here we have 3. So what we have here is 4 multiplied by 3, which gives us 12. Now when we add this to what we have here, we solve this part now, so we have 12 minus 3 over 4 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3. Now remember that you can write this as a fraction, so I'll write it as divided by 1. The next thing to go is to do the addition, so we can then go and add this part now. So to add that, we would have 3 over 4 plus, now converting this into an improper fraction, we have 3 times 1 to give us 3 plus 1, and then we have 4 over 3. Remember now we have 12 over 1 minus 3 over 4 plus 4 over 3. Now since addition comes first, it means we have to arrange this such that we'll add this 12 over 1 and this 4 over 3 before we can then perform this minus. So that is, we'll do 12 over 1 plus 4 over 3 first. And in this case, when we take LCM, LCM is 3. And then we'll have 3 divided by 1 and then multiplied by 12 plus 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 4. 3 divided by 1 is 3. And 3 times 12 would give us 36. So we have 36 plus 3 divided by 3, that is 1. 1 multiplied by 4 will give us 4 over 3. And when we work with this, this gives us 40 over 3. Therefore, the expression is now 40 over 3 and then minus 3 over 4. So let's solve this part now. If we take LCM, we have 12. So that is, we'll have 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 40 minus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. And when we do this, 12 divided by 3 will give us 4. So we have 4 times 40 minus Now, 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. So we have 3 times 3 over 12. That is, we have 4 times 40. That will give us 160 minus 9 over 12. And 160 minus 9 will give us 151. 151 over 12, which we will now convert into a mixed fraction. So 12 in 15, that is 1. 12 here 1, 12 in 15, 1. Remainder 3. And then 12 in 31. We know that 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. So it will go 2 times. So we have now 12, giving us a remainder of 7. So we have 7 over 12. So our final answer is 12 whole number 7 over 12. Thank you.